Hi, this is Erica Peitler, and I'm coming in hot pink that is. Now for those of you who are aware of my Leadership Rigor Virtual Academy, you know that my glasses and lenses are often the biggest wardrobe change that I make, so I have my hot pink glasses here. I'm coming in hot on a few things. First of all, I want to congratulate Tara Vanderveer, the coach for the women's basketball team at Stanford, for surpassing Coach K in most wins. She has now reached 1203 wins, which is remarkable. Actually, a friend sent me an article about her this past week, and it talked about advice that her father had given her on talent. And he said, look, surround yourself with the best talent, both players and coaches, and always have people who compliment you, not compliment you. So no blowing smoke up your ass. Get the real deal and the real feedback that you need. So great advice from a leadership standpoint. I'm also coming in hot, hoping that St. Pete warms up. Now, for my friends in the Northeast, I know it's friggin' cold, so, no disrespect, but it is cold down here too in Florida. So I'm coming in hot with an expectation there. Last piece coming in hot. Who is celebrating a 10-year anniversary? Yo, this guy, 10 years of leadership rigor with innovation and building change-ready leaders. So I'm coming in hot. Let me know about your thoughts about hot topics or hot areas that you want us to talk about, and maybe we'll include that in another segment of Coming in Hot.